Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. I know when I greet you, it's always the same saying. My youngest is bored. He said, "Why do you often say that? Like almost all of your vlog, you started with hi guys, blah 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 blah." Blah." I said, "Well, I'm so basic. That's how I greet people. I don't know how to talk." More than that. I mean, sometimes it feels awkward to talk on the camera. Anyways, for today's recipe for indorecipe.com, I am sharing meatloaf. This is super simple. Actually, it's only using like 4 basic ingredients, but I added additional flavoring. Again, it's additional, so you don't really have to add it. With the basic 4 ingredients, the meatloaf itself is already juicy. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! First, we're gonna slice or dice or chop this one medium size, one medium to large size of purple onion. Like so, and just place it into a bowl. Then add in 1 can of chili style bean. And then 1 kilogram of ground beef and 2 eggs. My ground beef is still frozen, so I'm gonna wait for a bit. We're just gonna mix it and then we're gonna dump it on a loaf pan, so shaping it into a loaf. You can use any other loaf or a square pan, it's up to you, but I'm gonna use loaf pan because that's what I have, and it's gonna be meatloaf. Okay, season it with 2 tablespoons of mushroom granules and cumin ground to taste. Just mix it until completely combined. I changed my gloves because, as I said earlier, still somewhat frozen, so it's really cold with the other plastic gloves. Like so. Again, I am using a loaf pan, but you can use any other kind of pan. Shallow dish, square, rectangular, it's up to you, but I have a loaf pan. We're gonna bake this on preheated 350 Fahrenheit for at least 1.5 hours, depending on your oven though. I served my slice with urap sayur, which is Indonesian salad, while the boys have mashed potato and rice.